Namaste. Today I will tell you about the sectional breathing. In the sectional breathing, we will do abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing and the clavicular breathing. Our lungs have three lobes. Lower lobe of our lungs, middle lobes of our lungs and the upper. Lower, middle and upper lobes of our lungs. Whenever we do the abdominal breathing, just refill oxygen in our lower lobes of our lungs. I will explain you how we do the abdominal breathing first. For the abdominal breathing, make a chin mudra with your both hands. Tip of the thumb, tip of the index finger, please share 50-50% and put on your knees. Your spine should be straight. Close your eyes. Please once take normal breath. Now we will start the abdominal breathing. In the abdominal breathing, inhale, abdominal muscles bulges out. As you exhale, abdominal muscles bulges in. Please everybody continue. Inhale, abdominal goes out. As you exhale, abdominal muscles suck in. Please everybody continue 5 times your own. Thoracic breathing. Whenever we do the thoracic breathing, just we fill oxygen in our middle lobe of our lungs. Thoracic breathing we will do in the Chinmay mudra. How you will make the Chinmay mudra? Tip of the thumb, tip of the index finger. This is your chin mudra and 3 standing fingers should be closed facing to the palm and put on your knees. This is your Chinmay mudra. Same, your spine should be straight. Close your eyes. Fully concentrate on your breathing once. As you inhale, your ribcage completely expand. As you exhale, your ribcage chest should be relaxed. In the thoracic breathing, with the inhalation, expand your ribcage. With the exhalation, relax your ribcage. Please do your own 5 times. Now I will tell you about the clavicular breathing. In the clavicular breathing, you have Adi Mudra. Make the Brahma your thumb inside and just make a fist with your both hands. Put on your knees. Your spine should be straight. You close your eye. As you inhale, your collarbone up and shoulder up. As you exhale, release your collarbone and release your shoulder from your back side. You have to do backward semicircle with the exhalation. Please do inhale, collarbone up, shoulder up. With the exhalation, release your collarbone, release your shoulder completely. Please everybody do 5 times your own.